Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to sign up on Trello. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on Trello, and when you download Trello you will see an interface like this. It will tell you to log in, or you can also sign up. So we are going to sign up. So click on sign up and you will find four options here. If you have account with if you have an email through any other app or software, you can sign up with Google, you can sign up with Microsoft or Apple. Many people have a Google account, so we will just continue with Google. So you don't need to fill out too many information here, you just need to put your email that you have on Google. Alright, so it is showing me my two accounts that I have already logged in with. So you can click on use another account and you can add your account from here. You just need to put your email and password. So I'm just going to choose one of the accounts. So just click on the account that you have already logged in with, and just click on continue. Alright, so that's how you sign up on Trello. It's as easy as it is. So you have successfully created an account on Trello. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section or any other doubt you have. See you soon. Have a good day.